The changing landscape of dating. In a rapidly evolving digital world, the way we connect and find love is changing. Dating apps have become the go-to platform for meeting new people and forging meaningful connections. Today, we will explore the latest trends in dating app development, brought to you by TechnoLabs, a leading company in the field. So, let's dive in. Enhanced user experience. One of the key trends in dating app development is focusing on creating a seamless and enjoyable user experience. This involves intuitive navigation, eye-catching design elements, and personalized features that cater to individual preferences. The aim is to make the app feel natural, engaging, and user-friendly. Advanced matchmaking algorithms. Dating apps are leveraging the power of advanced algorithms and machine learning to improve their matchmaking capabilities. These algorithms analyze user data, interests, behavior patterns, and social media integration to suggest highly compatible matches. This ensures a higher chance of finding a compatible partner. Integration of artificial intelligence. Dating apps are embracing artificial intelligence to enhance the overall user experience. AI-powered chatbots are being used to provide personalized recommendations, offer dating advice, and assist in communication between users. This intelligent automation allows for more efficient and meaningful interactions. Video and audio dating. With the rise of virtual communication, video and audio features are becoming popular in dating apps. Users can engage in video calls or voice chats to get to know each other better before meeting in person. These features promote authenticity and help build a stronger connection between potential partners. Enhanced security and privacy. Dating app developers are prioritizing user safety and privacy. They implement robust security measures like two-factor authentication, encrypted messaging, and profile verification. This ensures that users can confidently engage with others while keeping their personal information secure. Niche dating apps. To cater to specific interests and communities, niche dating apps are gaining popularity. These apps target niche markets such as professionals, LGBTQ+ communities, seniors, and more. By focusing on specific demographics, these apps provide a tailored experience and create a sense of belonging. Gamification and social elements. To make the dating experience more fun and engaging, developers are integrating gamification and social elements. Features like virtual gifts, badges, leaderboards, and social media integration encourage user participation and foster a sense of community within the app. Real-time location-based matching. With the advancements in geolocation technology, dating apps are incorporating real-time location-based matching. This allows users to discover potential matches who are physically nearby, facilitating spontaneous meetups and enhancing the overall dating experience. Inclusive and diverse features. Dating app developers are embracing inclusivity and diversity by introducing features that cater to a wide range of preferences. This includes options for non-binary and gender-fluid individuals, multi-language support, and culturally sensitive features that respect different backgrounds and traditions. Offline event integration. Dating apps are going beyond virtual interactions by integrating offline events. These events can range from speed dating sessions to group outings or themed gatherings, providing users with opportunities to meet and connect in person, fostering a sense of community and shared experiences. Your dating app solution starts here. At TechnoLabs, we strive to stay ahead of these trends and create innovative dating app solutions that meet the ever-changing needs of our clients. For cutting-edge dating app development services, contact TechnoLabs today.